POV you left your car unattended in Ohio. This onion won't make me cry eventually. Game companies may get so greedy that you have to pay 4 games and it still has microtransactions. Crime suspects and police shows be like. I won't say anything until my lawyer is here. What autocorrect thinks I think about all day. Me walking away from the math exam, knowing that Peter cycles to school with an average speed of 743 miles per hour. Annoying kid who there is a mosquito on. Mimi got you, bro. When your tea's gone cold but you don't know why. Me in a car trying to take a nap until we get home, my wife and my sons while I'm driving. Hi, my name is Jason. Nice to meet you. Jason, friends, family, Breaking Bad, Jesse. Do you want to cook something? My parents at age 24. Let's have a baby. Okay, me at 24. 2 guys on B1 is low HP. Okay. You should always listen to what your heart tells you. My heart, dude, you should totally grab that police officer service weapon. Me choosing my clothes. When you're dating a woman who is taller than you and she shows up to a date wearing heels, the disrespect is strong. With this one. Overweight people after they swallow a fat burner pill. When teased the few weeks between spring and summer where you can leave the door open and not have 3,000 insects enter the house, finally in a piece. When you download dog software on cat hardware. People, all you do is play video games. Also people. As a kid thinking soda is an adult drink. As a teen thinking coffee is in a dog drink. In your 20s thinking alcohol is an adult drink. Reaching your 30s and realizing water is the adult drink. Daddy shows that 4 out of 5 people suffer from diarrhea, that one person who enjoys it. This bird holds himself in air by power of hate. It's the matter, sweetie, there are monsters under my bed, what the F? May I introduce this as a person who names the playlist after songs which are not available on Spotify. I'm the kindest man alive. I'm the Italian chocolate brand owned by the Ferrero company. You're clearly Kinder. My grandma thought this was a cross, so she hung it up. I decided not to correct her. Who wore it better? The world today, if every country had the same power outlet design. I like my women like I like my coffee. Strong and given proper credit for their contributions in both the home and the workplace. People who need text and image. People who only need text. My resume, watching me put hardworking and motivated on it. The device. Literally every manual. Tired of looking at bad screen, can't wait to get home and look at good screen. Why does my back hurt so bad? Also me. 8 hours a day. Me getting ready to pay for my oil change mechanic. We also noticed Demi. Are your names not on our list? Of course not, because I don't belong here. You're looking at the CEO of Nestle. Extra hell. Having to sign a PDF document using the signature tool. Signing a PDF with the mouse. The bond's name, James' name, please too. What bond names are James? Are you all right? Baines nonce having a strong call. Abundance. I told her it was Mozart. Schools, hospitals buying the cheapest and thinnest toilet paper known to man. Watching a video about eliminating procrastination. Watch later. Family, how come you never sit and socialize with us? Me sits with family. Me gets insulted by entire family. Me Goodbye everyone, I'll remember you all. In therapy. When you have a real Coca-Cola after years of diet and zero. My housemates are convinced our house is haunted. I've lived here for 274 years. And not noticed anything strange. What a year it has been, huh, Captain? It's April. Harry used ChatGPT 21 years ago. My name is Harry Potter. Hello Harry Potter, my name is ChatGPT. Dragon Ball characters after one of their friends die, acting as if they can't just bring them back in a week. With the Dragon Ball balls. Wearing oversized t-shirts because they are comfortable. Realizing you wear them so you don't have to look at your body shape in the mirror. When your friend yells at their mom so you just there like the evolution of fashion. The homeless guy outside the Pizza Inn. Watching me pay cash for a family-sized pizza after I told him I had no money. Meghan Trainor making the worst music ever. Me, could you stop digging in the backyard? My dog. My mom, you are so handsome, any girl would be lucky to have you. Me. Just changed to cold showers and ice baths, dude. Nemu's game to another hard drive. Steam, I've never met this game in my life. My therapist, when my car declines, you're worthless, you're pointless, no one misses you, you're nothing, no one cares. The game. The console version. When I realized that my dog is more of a friend than people. When someone tells me a game is bad because it has repetitive missions, jokes on you, I'm into that crab. Your Honor, my client crashed into the biker to test the physics engine. The U.S. when kids learn to shoot guns. The U.S. when kids play video games. Are your alternates off in real time? Happening in a parallel universe. My dreams. Coming up with that perfect sentence so you can enter a conversation. Me thinking about all of the male mosquitoes I've killed, they don't bite. Pizza Tower or something, I don't know, I never played it before. Billy, what have you done? Baby Yoda should be the meme of the decade. Go for the head belly. Dear Deacons, I killed this cow because it was eating your food. You're welcome. Vegans, you are a good man, thank you. What kids play Fortnite? What men play Elden Ring? What legends play Euro Truck Simulator 2? My boss, when I asked him why I was fired. Well, there is no single reason, there are many of them. When you're fresh out of the shower and have to take a dump. Teacher ChatGPT, turn these key points and concepts into a lecture script for my class. Student, turn this lecture script into its key points and concepts. So I save time, the teacher. Me giving relationship advice to my friends, I guide others to a treasure that I cannot possess. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Me. When you can't complete a level in a game and then you don't play it for 2 days and then you try it and complete it on your first try. People, finally the worst days are over. 2023 will at least be better than the others. 2023. Who are you? I'm Ray Who Ray Shadow. Legends. German, when government shuts down nuclear power plants. German, one day after the market leading electricity provider Ian announced that it would raise the electricity price by up to 45 as of June 1st of this year. If you don't have any plans this evening, would you mind covering my night shift? Those annoying nearly invisible bugs that fly around in a cluster chasing me after I accidentally ran straight into them while on my morning jog. Time traveler moves a chair. Can he? Not everything that goes through your Head is a great idea, John F. Kennedy. Satan got me who eats Doritos and Lay's. Vertically on purpose. Don't remove the dislike count just because people didn't like YouTube. Rewind 2018 YouTube. Just your everyday typical average human. Hand according to AI. When the 420th day of Putin's invasion is on 19th to 4th, we were on the verge of greatness, we were this close. What gives people feelings of power? Money, status, without looking, pushing the door behind you with enough force for it to gently close as you calmly keep on walking. Thank you for watching today's episode.